A leg bone from a 14 to 16 foot human was found in the Euphrates Valley in the exact area Scripture says was the land of giants. There's no way this was a birth defect. This femur is from a giant around 9 or 10 feet tall, found in shale. Ron Wyatt found this thumb bone he says was from a man that lived before the deluge. Many remains are found in rocks that evolutionists say are millions of years old. However, them being in rock layers have been demonstrated to have come from being buried in a great flood instead. This mummified head of an Inca king is twice times the size of a normal human. Notice the man next to the case for scale. This was at least a 10 to 12 foot tall king. And these are the people who built Sacsayhuaman. Here's a mummy at that same private museum in Lima, Peru. Many remains of the Gaborim have been found, but evolutionists, atheists, and Satanists will never admit it or tell the public. Here's the comparative size of some of the heights of the giants. This is a present-day modern human, which averages about 6 feet tall. This is a 15-foot tall skeleton. This was the human femur found in southeast Turkey in the late 1950s in the Euphrates Valley. Many tombs containing giants were uncovered here. Maximinus Thrax Caesar of Rome, 235 to 238 AD. This was an 8 foot 6 inch skeleton. Goliath was about 9 or 10 feet. King Og, spoken of in Deuteronomy, whose iron bedstand was approximately 14 feet by 6 feet wide. Og was at least 12 feet tall. Some people claim up to 18. A 9 foot 6 inch human skeleton was found in 1577 AD under an overturned oak tree in the canton of Lucerne. A 23 foot tall skeleton found in 1456 beside a river in Valence, France. 25 foot 6 inch skeleton was found in 1613 near the castle of Chaumont in France. This was claimed to be a nearly complete find. And almost beyond comprehension or believability, was the find of the two separate 36-foot human remains uncovered by Carthaginians somewhere between 200 and 600 BC. Is a 36-foot human too hard for you to believe? How about now? But even if this happened to be a fake, these tracks found in South Wales, as you can see, are at least 8 times the size of a size 10 human's print. If the shoe size of a size 10 is from an average height of 6 feet, 6 times 8 makes it a 48-foot giant that left these tracks. The evidence is clear. I cannot even presume to have seen all the evidence on these mighty ones. Just look it up and you'll find all that you need.